I've heard of Copilot, but I don't really know what to expect. So I'm just here with an open mind to learn, to absorb what they share. For AI, I actually use for image generator. I use image generator for example, for certain concept, then I can generate the image that helps me speak what I have in my mind. Yeah, so that's one use case. And also AI usually is how to rephrase my statements. Yeah, so that's the main two things I use AI for currently.
Microsoft, it encompasses all the Microsoft Outlook, PowerPoint and Word. So I think it can enhance our productivity also.
Okay, I think for us on the ground fire stations, when pitching ideas for any projects, they use this PowerPoint. So we will use Microsoft Word to consolidate all the points we have in a group, and then we can get Copilot to generate the summary in a PowerPoint slide without having any typos and stuff. So yeah.
The intent of all this effort is to ride on the AI wave and promote prompt engineering to our people. The hope is that by offloading some of the work to artificial intelligence tools, it will reduce our own workload or enable us to achieve more with the same amount of resources. We spend many hours curating the content to fit our organization need. I really hope that it will bring value to everyone.
We have identified key influential personnel, our DG Champ, Upstack officers, and EUCs, to participate in specialized courses with the full support of senior management. We have also organized a prompt engineering competition to create excitement and traction around generative AI, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. Through these initiatives, we aim to train and empower our personnel to become ambassadors, spreading the word about the transformative power of generative AI across our force.